get good help around it. Hello.
So we are
76ing.
76ing, not 69ing.
79ing.
76ing.
Anyway, we are putting a winch in. We are putting a snorkel on.
Hey man.
And we are fitting a brake booster all at the same time.
And a pre-filter and a catch can.
And a pre-filter and a catch can. All at the same time. Anyway, while these guys have their little, to do, we're going to, it's a discussion, we're going to show you a little bit of the progress as we do it. We're going to cut things, we're going to fit things, we're going to wire things, we're going to just have a great old time. So, here we go. Okay, so ARMAX snorkel is on. The winch has been wide prepped, ready to rock and roll as well. We're not throwing the bar on at this stage. We're still waiting for headlights to come back from retrofits to do those. But we are now going home because it's like almost 6 o'clock. Got to do the brake booster, as you can see. There's a big hole there. So we're going to do that tomorrow, get that in, sorted, ready to go, and then this thing is going to go on the hoist to get the coil conversion done. So, snorkel went on, winch is in, prepped, ready to go. Look out, I'm standing on things. And tomorrow morning, brake booster will go into place. We will set it up, but we're not going to do anything with it yet because I've got to do all the lines and all that, so it'll just go into place. And yeah, we'll get into this coil conversion. It should be really cool because we've actually got a red cradle and coils and arms that are going to go underneath this thing. I think it'll look pretty good. Let's do that. Whew. It's been a hot day. Ready to go home. Okay, so what we are up to now is doing a coil setup in the 76. We have stripped the rear end. We've pretty much built a diff housing, rear axle. It's early. We've built that, so that's ready to go. What we need to do now on the 76, they're a little bit more of a muck around to get the kit in. So we're up to that point of the muck around. This is getting a Brown Davis tank, so we are going to do that. And yeah, it's going to be a great time. So, come with me. As you can see, there's nothing there. It's just wide open spaces. Because this thing here is going in there. Once I put this thing here, also in there. Factory tanks there. New BD for short, Brown Davis. Tank is here. So what we are going to do now is put that in there, then put a cradle in there, then put everything else in there. So that's where we're at. This thing needs a Kmar bar on the back of it as well, which is over there. And we will then kind of do it all together, because tank needs to go in to then be able to fit the cradle, but then we obviously need to fit the Kmar bar, because Kmar bar's got to go around the tank, and the exhaust and all that's got to go in together. So that's what's going to have to happen now. And I wish.
When I get through to this and I can take it in, something better, I can see it. Will you hold on to me when I break through with it? Something better, I can feel it. Into the fire, out of the life we know.
So we have pretty much coiled the 76. It is almost ready to come down onto the ground. As you can see, the bum end is in, and we've just got to do some finishing touches on brake lines and fuel lines and stuff like that. Then tomorrow it'll be ready to come down, put it on the ground. So, man, it's hot and it's the end of the day and I'm pretty much ready to go home. But progress is coming along with it, almost there with the coil part of it. Brown Davis tank has gone in as well. Exhaust on. Kmar bar is pretty much what's going to happen next after we get it on the ground. Yeah, it's coming along, so pretty happy with how we're going. The red is going to be a cool little touch to it as well, so pretty happy with that. Obviously Scott chose it, but does look good.